So I've got another little job in Ballarat. A few bits of granite on a new housing estate project. Quite a long way from home. But these bits are in the way of the gas and water trench. And that bit there is sticking out to the ground, so that's got to go too. And a big bit of oversize over there. So without further ado, I'm going to slap some 35mm holes in it, stick some bombs in the holes, cover it, and blow it up, you know, normal story. So it's very, very humid here today. It's unbearable even early in the morning. That's the new Melbourne weather, I guess. Yeah. So after much ado, I've got another rock ready to send to meet its maker. A couple of rocks. And this big oversized one here. I wonder if the estate's going to go into that paddock there one day. There's going to be some more work there if it is. Holy dooly. Yeah, anyway. Just got to watch that bit of curb and channel over there, see we don't break that. They're a bit concerned about it. I'm not really concerned, but might get a crack in the joins. We'll have a close look. It's already cracking. What about this one? Yeah, it's got a little hairline there too. And that one. Yep. It's only a few days since it was laid. Oh, that's alright, should be alright. If they've got to relay it, they've got to relay it. Should have got rid of the rock first, but never mind. Alright, we'll see you shortly when we cover this up. Ciao.